Janata Party President Subramanian Swamy refuses to relent in his battle against the Congress in the loan row. Now, he has walked the talk by moving the Election Commission seeking de-recognition of the Congress Party over extending a loan to Associated Journals Limited. Reacting to this, the Congress Party has said it will contest the complaint filed by Swamy to the Election Commission. The party maintained that the 90 crore loan was given as VRS for the employees of the company. Now, the Janata Party President alleges that the Congress has confessed to the loan crime and admits giving an unsecured loan of 90 crore rupees. Swamy also alleged that as a political party, the Congress is barred from advancing any loan apart from political purposes.
ये कांग्रेस पार्टी ने ये जिम्मेदारी ली है। कांग्रेस पार्टी चैरिटेबल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन नहीं है, ये पहले समझो। वो एक पॉलिटिकल पार्टी है और वो सेक्शन 29A में बंधा हुआ है, रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ पीपल एक्ट, जिसमें उसको मान्यता मिली है। उस मान्यता और सिंबल्स ऑर्डर में भी सेक्शन 16A के अंतर्गत उनकी बनती है जिम्मेदारी। उनका तो एक ही काम है, वो जो भी पैसा इकट्ठा करेंगे, जिसके लिए उनको इनकम टैक्स की एग्जेम्पशन मिली है टैक्स देने से, उसमें वो सिर्फ राजनीतिक काम कर सकते हैं। ये राजनीतिक काम नहीं है। सर, मेरे पास कोई मशीनरी नहीं है, सबके लिए समय लगता है। हम आस्ते आस्ते करेंगे, पहले इसको करूंगा फिर आगे बढ़ूंगा, पर किसी को छोड़ूंगा नहीं।
The Congress on its part maintains that there is no illegality involved, as its support to National Herald newspaper yielded no commercial profit to the Congress party. Now, the Congress says that it has done its duty in supporting the Associated Journals Limited to help initiate a process to bring the National Herald newspaper back to health in compliance with the law of the land. Now, the party maintained that no irregularity done in granting loan to the newspaper, but the party didn't quantify the amount of the loan.
तो किसी पार्टी को डी रिकॉग्नाइज तब किया जा सकता है जब उस पार्टी को जो अपेक्षित अनुपात में मत है वो नहीं मिले हो। और आज देश में अखिल भारतीय कांग्रेस पार्टी को राष्ट्रीय पार्टी की मान्यता प्राप्त है। कई राज्यों में हमारी सरकारें हैं, केंद्र में कांग्रेस की सरकार है, इसलिए वो जाएंगे, लेकिन इलेक्शन कमीशन उनके इस बेबुनियाद आरोप पे कोई संज्ञान नहीं लेगी, ये निश्चित है। इसीलिए इस बात को कांग्रेस पार्टी ने भी कहा है, राहुल के ऑफिस ने भी कहा कि बेबुनियाद है, अपमानजनक है, और इसमें सुब्रमण्यम स्वामी के खिलाफ कांग्रेस पार्टी निश्चित तौर से कानूनी कार्रवाई भी करेगी।
Now, reactions coming in thick and fast from the main opposition party as well. The BJP training its guns on the Congress, calling for an explanation and also saying that the evidence and the comments coming out so far from the Congress are flimsy and weak.
ये हिंदुस्तान की पहली घटना है और अजूबा भी है कि सोनिया कांग्रेस राहुल कांग्रेस को लोन दे रही है, राहुल कांग्रेस सोनिया कांग्रेस को लोन दे रही है, और उसके बाद कहा जा रहा है ये लोन जो है राष्ट्र हित में दिया गया है। ये जो आपने लेन देन हुआ है वो चोरी चोरी चुप्पे चुप्पे हुआ है, जिसकी की न घोषणा की गई न जिसके बारे में बताया गया। वो इस बात का प्रमाण है कि ये क्रिमिनल मेंटेलिटी के साथ ये काम किया गया, इसलिए ये गंभीर अपराध है। पूरी तरह से खुले तौर से चोरी और सीनाजोरी जैसी स्थिति है।
All right, Atish Srivastav, Associate Editor, now joins us for a live input on the story. Strong reactions coming across, most certainly from Subramanian Swamy. Atish, also from the BJP training their guns squarely on the Congress, on Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi to come up with an explanation.
Well, Aditya, Subramanian Swamy is still determined that he has enough proof to nail Congress party, because as per the People's Representation Act, it is clear that a political party cannot fund any commercial activity, and they have to use the funds allocated to them or the funds which they get only for political purposes. This was certainly not a political purpose, whereas Congress is of the view that they wanted to help 700 families and they wanted to stick to the ideology put forward by Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru. These are the words used by Janardhan Trivedi, and this is a huge issue. It's no longer a legal battle, it's become a huge political battle, because BJP has also jumped into this and they have tried desperately to divert the attention from their own president and the financial mismanagement Nitin Gadkari. So they are targeting Congress.
Yes.
Subramanian Swamy is targeting Congress. So the final call remains with the election commissioner. They will go through the papers, because if there is any violation, then Congress can be in serious trouble. Whereas because Congress party has accepted, in fact 3 days back when this entire story unearthed, then Congress completely rejected. Then suddenly last night there was a press release which clearly said that there was funds which were given, and those funds were given to Associated Journal, and that is not for any political activity. So obviously that gave a lot of strength to the argument put forward by Subramanian Swamy, and that is why he moved to Election Commission. Now Subramanian Swamy has been completely backed by BJP, and they are trying to extract the maximum political mileage out of it.
Well, and not just a legal battle now, very much a political battle. So Atish Srivastava, thanks very much for joining us, Atish. More inputs, most certainly yet to come. More reactions also coming in. The Congress remaining defiant, saying that they will take this up with the EC and come up with explanations whenever the time arises itself.